Welcome to the RJI Futures Lab, where we help you make your organization more innovative. I'm Ruben Stern. This week, 2 initiatives that make the audience part of the newsroom. Combining elements of Wikipedia and Reddit, a news website called Grasswire is curated, fact-checked, and edited by its users. The Futures Lab's Daniel Shapiro explains how the site aims to let everyone participate in the journalistic process.
When a user posts a story to Grasswire, it shows up in a feed of recently posted stories. Once posted, users can upvote or downvote a story so it appears higher in the website's main feed. The site also presents users with the ability to refute or confirm a story, as well as provide background.
But basically, the fact-checking is you can comment on anything with either hashtag refute or hashtag confirm, and then provide a URL to the original source. We've actually had in the past a couple of members of ISIS who were in Syria, and they would be providing information and using Grasswire, and they used it correctly. So we had no reason to ban them or do anything else, because regardless of who you are, if you're finding facts and using the journalistic process the way it's meant to be used, we don't have a problem with that.
Users have points associated with their accounts that give them more influence on the website.
When you submit something and it gets upvoted, you basically gain karma, so you gain points. And the more points you have, the more weight that your vote actually carries.
Grasswire is working on a new version of their website that is more similar to Wikipedia and will allow anyone to edit a story.
Anybody could screw something up. Anybody can edit anything. And really, the only thing that would stop that from happening is other users who will change it back. We're making it really easy to change it back.
Grasswire is working on a mobile app alongside the new version of their website. For the Futures Lab, this is Daniel Shapiro.
Grasswire also has some journalists on staff who monitor stories on the website and post content to Grasswire's social media. You'll find more information along with this video. What began as an engagement idea at a radio station in Chicago has now spun off into an enterprise called Hearken. The goal is to give newsrooms across the country some tools that bring the public into the newsmaking process. We spoke with the project's founder to learn more.
Hearken is an audience-driven platform that allows newsrooms to partner with the public throughout the reporting process, starting with story creation. So starting with the pitch process, going to the assignment process, then to reporting, and then to publishing.
Hearken's audience-driven process is powered by 2 embeddable modules that allow the public to submit story ideas.
So we have a curiosity module where their public can ask questions that they haven't seen covered in the news that they'd like that news organization to cover. We also have voting modules to help newsrooms better understand what stories their audiences would most like to see before they put the effort into reporting.
After the modules are embedded, Hearken provides a management system for newsrooms to track story ideas and count votes.
It's basically the same as embedding a YouTube video on a content management system. And we have a back end where you can manage all that audience engagement.
Hearken presents newsrooms with the option of creating a white label website that provides a larger layout to offer more audience interaction. The white label sites are hosted by Hearken.
Reporters and newsrooms don't have the time to go building and inventing their own systems. They don't have the time to go fetching items from all across different platforms to make sense of what their audience is really interested in. So that's one of the things that we are trying to solve with Hearken, is having a one-stop shop database where you can glean insights from what your community is asking you about and actually take action on those by making stories that reflect what your audience cares about.
Hearken offers newsrooms a 2-month trial to test out their service. For the Futures Lab, this is Daniel Shapiro.
Hearken is currently in use at 12 news organizations throughout the Midwest and on both coasts. And that's it for this report from the RJI Futures Lab. I'm Ruben Stern. We'll see you in the future.